Monica Melissa Patterson walked into a familiar setting today. A few months ago, she stood here and faced charges of capital murder. Today, she appeared before the same court again. This time, the Texas Rangers arrested her for allegedly stealing over $102,000 from her former employer, Casa de Consuelo Comfort House. Her attorney, Ricardo Salinas, insists the charges are baseless. He argued his point in hopes of convincing the JP to reduce the bond he set. The bond totaled $200,000.
I don't believe that there's a criminal complainant in this case. And I spoke to the Rangers yesterday, and they were unaware of the fact that this had actually been resolved civilly already. So I don't believe there's anybody complaining in any which way or form of a criminal act.
Salinas told the judge the charge appeared to be unintentional and a mistake by the arresting agency.
I think the Rangers, and again, they're here, I think they were surprised. I don't think that they may not have known that information, but I know that information, so I don't believe there's a criminal complainant.
Joseph Orendain, the prosecutor representing the district attorney's office, stepped in to argue the state side.
As far as the Rangers were aware of all the information, as far as that they're claiming there's no complainant, the problem that they have is that the district attorney's office is filing the complaint, we're filing the charges, and as of this point, Judge, they may have made whatever civil arrangement they have, but they have never made an arrangement with the district attorney's office as to not proceeding with charges.
Orendain tried to convince the judge to reverse his initial bond and raise it to $500,000 due to the nature of the case. It didn't happen. The judge kept it at $200,000.
We're alleging over $100,000 on the nonprofit, which is a first-degree felony where she's facing 5 to 99 or life, let alone the other charge that she's already out on bond for, and then the other one is a second-degree felony where she's facing 2 to 20.
The criminal complaint charges Patterson with misapplication of fiduciary financial property and theft of property. It states Patterson, in her capacity as the Comfort House administrator, transferred $200,000 from an investment account to the operating account. She did it without permission from the board of directors. The investigation later revealed she used $102,500 for personal expenses. That included travel, vehicle and home repairs, personal bills, and dining out. The theft was uncovered during the course of the capital murder investigation.